Welcome to SciSpectrum Lab Essentials, your source for equipment, instrument, and consumables.
The RQV-400 Plus is a tough, upright deep freezer, and it was literally made for the high-stakes environments you find in biotech, clinical, pharmaceutical, and research labs. Now, when you open it up, you get a really generous 400-liter capacity. That's a ton of well-organized space, so you can store a high volume of your critical materials without ever having to worry about clutter or losing track of things. And it gets cold. I mean, really cold. It can achieve a powerful and stable temperature that goes all the way down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. This is exactly the kind of environment you need to guarantee safe, long-term preservation for even your most sensitive biological samples. But true performance isn't just about how much it holds or how cold it gets. It's really about the smart features that make it precise and convenient to use every day. Let's dig into what makes it tick. Okay, so let's start with the brains of the operation. There's a microprocessor-based controller in there that ensures the temperature is incredibly stable and accurate. And you can see everything you need to know right at a glance on this big 1-inch LED display. Now, to keep that cold in, the unit is packed with 80 millimeters of thick CFC-free insulation. Inside, you've got 4 adjustable, heavy-duty trays for total flexibility. And get this, it does all of this work so quietly, operating under 65 decibels, which is just fantastic for keeping your lab focused. And let's just talk about that display for a second. The reason it's so important is its clarity. It actually shows you both the temperature you set and the actual temperature inside at the same time. What does that mean for you? No more guesswork. You get instant proof that your samples are being kept in exactly the right conditions. All right, so keeping things cold is one thing, but what about keeping them safe? I mean, really protecting them. That requires a serious safety net, so let's check out the freezer's advanced safety and design features. This is really where it shines. It's not just one feature, it's a whole system working together. You've got audio-visual alarms that will let you know about everything from a power failure to a door that's been left open. There's an auto-cutoff system that kicks in if the temperature even thinks about straying from your set range. And to protect the machine itself, it has overload protection for the compressor and a smart time delay restart, which prevents a power surge after an outage. It's truly a multi-layered defense system for your priceless work. Okay, time to get into the nitty-gritty. Let's look at the hard data, the technical specs, to see exactly how the RQV-400 Plus can fit into your lab's workflow. So let's just run through the numbers. We've got that 400-liter volume and the temperature range down to minus 40 Celsius. The external dimensions are right there so you can plan your space. It runs on a standard power supply, and the inside is made of that durable, easy-to-clean 304 grade stainless steel. Oh, and for best performance, REMI recommends pairing it with their VSO3 stabilizer. So who is this for, really? Well, the RQV-400 Plus is just a perfect fit for so many critical applications. We're talking biotech and life science labs, clinical and diagnostic centers, pharmaceutical research and storage, and of course, essential places like blood banks and vaccine preservation facilities. When you boil it all down, every single thing we've talked about, from that microprocessor brain to all those safety alarms, is designed with one single purpose: to ensure the absolute, total integrity of every sample you put inside it.